What is that? Oh, babe.
See his little eye?
Just stretching it out. It's just so cute.
I've never had a bird, raised a bird, so we just researched how to take care of him or how to keep him warm.
Look at this strong baby. I think it's about a week old maybe? But they don't stay little for very long, but he's just getting very strong and he's got sprouts all over now. Yeah.
It's crazy because birds grow so quickly. Week to week or even every 3 days, he was a different bird.
Day 5.
He'll probably be hopping around, maybe even by tomorrow. Good job. Well, we're perching today.
This is Piper. We've come to the conclusion that she's the female.
Fly, Piper, fly! Fly, Piper, fly! Are you gonna hop down? Oh, good girl! Good girl. Okay, ready?
Let's see if she can do this.
Okay.
Fly, Piper, fly!
She's almost got it.
Fly,
Ready?
Piper, fly!
Our bird saga continues. She's growing a lot each day, as you can see. But we've been doing a little flight training outside.
You wanna be a big girl and fly? Can I help you? There you go. You can do it, baby. Good job. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye, Piper. So let Piper go. Okay. Piper! Piper! My call, my voice. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Even my pet wild bird today. Come on. Hi.
And here she comes, like a real life Disney princess. I got to live out my dream.
Look at this girl. You're too far. Okay, you stay in the yard.
After 6 weeks, she's free and flying around. She kind of hung around the backyard. She didn't want to go far. Then we would see her getting little twigs, and I knew something was up. She built her nest, a drain pipe on the side of her house.
Piper. Piper's new boyfriend is looking out.
And then she had her own little babies.
Look at the family. Makes my heart so happy.
It's just crazy how this little bird Piper changed my whole world.